thanks for clicking on the video. The title of our innovation is the Matrix Biology Digital Comic. This idea was brought to you by a team of 5 college students with the assistance of our biology lecturer. My name is Nurul Ezzah, and as the leader, I will be presenting to you about the Matrix Biology Digital Comic. To begin, the Matrix Biology Digital Comic strongly aligns with modern teaching and learning methods by transforming traditional lecture notes into digital comics, which represents a shift from static, monotonous resources into dynamic and captivating learning materials. This transformation underscores the team's essence of evolving teaching techniques. Now, as a student of Matriculation College, the most popular issue we will face is that it is hard to understand a complicated chapter, especially in science subject, which is biology. There are almost thousands of pages of the lecture notes to be read. Other than that, there are chapters containing facts only, without any process or mechanism for students to read and remember. All of these cause students to be easily distracted and feel bored during learning process. So the objectives of Matrix Biology Digital Comic is to create our own digital comic and for students to be able to access to the comic easily, and lastly, for students to be allowed to learn about DNA molecule in a fun way. If you are interested in reading the comic, you can scan the QR code given here. I'm going to simply explain about our Matrix Biology Digital Comic that we've created, just to show how we try to get our point across towards the audience. As you can see, we've attached the comic on the right side of the Google slide with an icon on the left side that says click me. So I'm going to demonstrate how it will pop up when you click on the icon. When you click on the icon, you are being redirected to a YouTube video that explains further about the DNA structure. Moving on to the next page of the comic, we've provided a simple question along with an icon, and just like the previous slide, when you click on it, you are getting redirected to a new page with the answer scheme. And the same goes for the next few pages of the comic. Now for the last page of the comic, we've attached a question mark icon, and when you click on it, you are getting redirected to a quizzes question. And lastly, we've also attached an evaluation form, which is the Google form that we use to collect all the data and responses from the audience. As for the novelty of this innovation, this is the first online comic discussing biology content for matriculation students. There is still no online comic specifically discussing matriculation subject content. As for the uniqueness of this innovation, it is free for everyone. In order to help students revision efficiently, our biology digital comic provides links for additional materials such as 3D model of DNA structures, video that explain about DNA structure, and questions and answer. As for the impact, 95% believes biodigital comic is one of the fun ways to learn. 87% believes it is easier to remember the key information by reading the visual graphic comic. 92% agrees by reading biodigital comic, learning about DNA becomes more interesting. And lastly, 98% agrees that with biodigital comic, the learning about DNA structure becomes much easier. For the commercialization potential, 92% says that the additional questions in the biodigital comic helps in the study and revision works. 97% says that biodigital comic is suitable for students in pre-university, and 90% says that biodigital comic is suitable for students in high school and elementary school. Now these are the awards or the recognitions that has been received by the Matrix Biology Digital Comic. That's all. Thanks for watching.